Hello students, again we are here with one interesting learning concept which we are going to learn under 10 minutes. So here we are going to see one question and we are going to see that how we can solve this. Very simple, very easy question, but sometimes people get confused with the powers, with the relations, with how to do the conversions. So that's why we are going to do it here. So everyone, again, one important reminder for all of you, do not miss any live classes. And the important thing is that if you are having any doubt, any queries, you can ask it to me in the comment boxes. Okay, let's learn this. First, let's read that what this question is talking about. It's saying that a certain household has consumed 200 units of energy during a month. Okay, during the whole month, it is using 200 units of energy. Its value in joules will be option A, it is 3.6 into 10 to the power 10, option B 7.2 into 10 to the power 10, option C 3.6 into 10 to the power 8, and option D it is 7.2 into 10 to the power 8. Okay, so everyone, this question is very simple, but one thing, if you're not remembering, you can make a mistake here. What is the meaning of unit here? 1 unit is equal to 1 kilowatt hour. So 200 unit means here 200 kilowatt hour, right? 200 unit means 200 kilowatt hour. Now simply you need to convert it in joules only, right? In joules it is asking you. I hope you all remember the relation. आपको conversion याद है kilowatt hour से joule का, so you can solve it very easily. और relation बहुत easy होता है. मैंने हम लोगों ने derivation भी करा हुआ है इसका. What is the relation? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So we will quickly see that how it is coming. 1 kilowatt hour, so 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt, right? 1 hour, which is equal to 3600 seconds, because in 1 hour there will be 60 minutes, in each minute 60 seconds, so 60 into 60, directly I am writing here 3600 seconds. I hope यहाँ पे किसी को कोई confusion नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है? Okay? अब देखिए. So further what we can do here, 1000 into 3600, that I can write 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. You can count. One power is that because I am writing 3.6, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, and yeah, 4, 5, 6, because 6 is also included now. So 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 watt second. What is the unit of power? Power is equal to work done divided by time. So you can also write it joule per second. 1 watt is also equal to joule per second. We can say that. Got it? How much it is? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6. Now, if you know this, what you need to do? This question is just a simple conversion. 200 units means 200 kilowatt hour. You need to convert it in joule simply. Okay? So, we know that 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Correct? 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. After that, if I'm talking about 200 kilowatt hour, so how we can convert it? We just need to multiply it here. 200 into 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. 2 into 3.6, that will be 7.2, I think so, right? Now, these two zeros and 10 to the power 6, that will be 10 to the power 8. So, 7.2 into 10 to the power 8, which means D part is the correct answer. Okay, so the correct answer here is definitely the D part. I hope it is clear to you. Quickly take a note of it and definitely you can solve more questions like that. It's a simple question, basically based on, if you know the relation that how to convert kilowatt hour to joule, you can solve it in a very easy way. Okay, so that's all for today. We will come with some more interesting question. So stay tuned with us, take care of yourself and solve more and more questions. Because now, almost we completed our syllabus, only one chapter is left, magnetic effects of electric current. We are going to do it very quickly. but we need to do the practice also. That's very, very important. So that's all for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you, everyone.